how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard predictive text on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. From here, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, go down to the smart typing section and then tap on predictive text. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn on predictive text. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up the keyboard, when you start to type, it will show predictive text and provide text suggestions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.